Whataburger, is this the best app in 2026? Fast food apps are everywhere now. Every major chain wants to live in your phone. But few have built the kind of loyalty that Whataburger has. Fans of this orange and white Texas icon know the brand means flavor, nostalgia, and big portions. But when it comes to their mobile app, is it really one of the best in 2026, or just another fast food gimmick? Let's find out. The Whataburger Mobile App is designed to make your burger run faster, smoother, and more rewarding. It lets you order ahead, customize your food exactly how you like it, and earn points toward free items with every purchase. Sounds perfect, but how well does it actually work day to day? Let's start with the basics. The app is available for both iOS and Android, and setup is quick. You sign up, add payment info, and you're ready to start building your order. The home screen is clean and bright, filled with mouth-watering photos of burgers, fries, and shakes. Navigation is simple. Order, rewards, and account settings are clearly marked, so even first-time users can find what they need without confusion. Customization is one of the app's best features. You can add or remove toppings, pick your bun, adjust spice levels, or even make your order extra everything. Whataburger's menu is already famous for letting customers go wild with options. And the app captures that perfectly. Now, onto speed and reliability. Ordering ahead usually saves time, but that depends on the store. In testing, most orders were ready in 10 to 15 minutes and the app's order tracking worked well. Occasionally, there were small delays or pickup mix-ups during rush hours, but those seem to depend more on local staff than the app itself. Payments through Apple Pay, Google Pay, or a stored card are smooth and rarely fail. Then there's rewards, the part that keeps customers coming back. The Whataburger Rewards program lets you earn points for every dollar spent. Once you collect enough, you can trade them for free menu items like fries, drinks, or even full burgers. What's nice is that the points add up quickly, and the rewards rotate often, keeping things fresh. Compared to apps like McDonald's or Wendy's, Whataburger's rewards feel simpler but fairer. You don't need to spend a fortune to actually get something back. Now, no app is perfect. One of the main complaints from users is occasional location errors when trying to find the nearest restaurant, especially in smaller towns. Some also report slow load times after major updates. However, Whataburger has been improving the app consistently, adding better GPS accuracy, smoother payment handling, and fewer crashes with each update. Another highlight worth mentioning is the mobile exclusive deals. Whataburger often drops special offers or limited-time discounts that you can only redeem through the app. For loyal fans, that makes it worth keeping installed, even if you don't use mobile ordering every day. In terms of security, Whataburger uses encrypted payments and doesn't store your card data locally, which means your info stays protected. You can also opt for biometric login, a nice touch for users who prefer extra safety. So, after using it for a while, what's the verdict? The Whataburger mobile app isn't perfect, but it's one of the better fast food apps in 2026. It combines solid design, dependable ordering, and generous rewards with the signature Whataburger charm. The few technical hiccups don't outweigh how convenient it makes getting your favorite burger, especially for regulars. If you're a fan of Whataburger or just want an app that rewards your cravings, this one's worth keeping on your phone. It's fast, fun, and keeps improving every year. So, to sum it up, the Whataburger mobile app delivers exactly what it promises: convenience, customization, and free food over time. It's not just about ordering faster, it's about making the Whataburger experience feel personal. And if you're hungry right now, that's all that really matters. If this review helped you decide, make sure to support the channel. Every view, comment, and share helps more people find honest reviews before downloading the next big app. Stay curious and, as always, keep those cravings in check.